Hey, it's Gracie with WTI. If you own a 2020 to 2025 Kia Telluride, then you have to check out these floor mats from JOULARISE. So I spend most of my day driving in the car for work, so a good set of floor mats is super important. What I really like about these is this raised edge on each corner. So unlike other mats that just lay flat, this edge really gives it that extra protection from any kind of dirt or crumbs getting onto the felt underneath. I like how they clip into place so it prevents them from moving around, and they're made out of a durable all-weather waterproof material. So they're easy to wipe down if you have any spills, or just take them out and directly hose them off. And my favorite is this split design for the trunk mat. So not only does it protect the back of the seats, but check out this accordion style design that just folds into itself when one of the seats is raised. And not only do these Velcro, but they also have this elastic rope that goes around the headrest to make sure this thing stays in place. From groceries to kids going in and out to pets, these will definitely hold up to the wear and tear that we put on our cars. These truly fit like a glove. They're custom fit and they protect every inch of the floor. We have been thoroughly impressed with the quality and the durability of these mats, and we would highly recommend them, and that's our point of view.